Nathan McBride here. I'm an adventure lifestyle filmmaker that shoots with brands all around the world, and I was lucky enough to have some of the first hands on the new Boreal 50 liter by PolarPro. Let's check it out. So the question is, what does the market want in a bag? They want something that's comfortable, durable, functional, that has a lot of room, and you can beat it up and take it through the gnarliest adventures. So we planned various amount of activities with this bag to really truly see if this is the perfect camera bag. When I first laid my eyes on this bag, I gotta say I was a bit concerned. With its polished look, I just thought it wouldn't handle what the backcountry was gonna do to it. And I gotta say, the bag impressed me. It proved me wrong in every way. The straps held up amazingly. The polish had not one scratch after all the craziness that we put it through. So throughout the shoot, we really put the bag through its paces, from hiking to touring to skiing to mountaineering and strapping the skis on the side of the bag and just climbing up faces of the mountains, pulling up the bag. It was a full-on test of what this product did. After 28 days of using this product non-stop, day in and day out, here are some of my favorite features of this bag. But to start off with, the exterior design and the polished feel. It looks super professional, yet it does have a rugged feel, and it can withstand a lot with this. The 600D polyester that is not a cheap material at all to coat this bag in, but they really put in the work to make sure that the outside was fully rain resistant. I love all the buckles on the outside because you pretty much have every different orientation where you can carry a multitude of items, from a tripod to a shoulder rig to even skis on this bag. We kind of did it all on this campaign, and that really was a feature that I liked. It has pretty much everything that you would want when it comes to pockets, a variety of different ones. From a nice 16-inch laptop pocket that you can slide in, that has a nice mesh inside that's not going to scratch up your laptop, a zipper up here that has a convenient little key holder that you're not going to lose your keys in the backcountry, which is super nice, especially for someone like me. And then looking from side to side, you notice that each side has a convenient quick access strap, and this is super nice because not only you have the top one that most traditional bags have, but you can carry it in a side profile as well. Looking at the back, there's this mesh that will keep your back padded through long hikes. We did several long hikes, up to 14 miles on one of them, and the bag held up really nicely. It felt pretty comfortable most of the time. And on the back, you have a removable hip strap, but this is gonna really take some weight off when you're hiking and doing those longer missions. You don't want all that weight on your back, trust me. You do have these nice adjustable shoulder straps that's gonna help fit any type of preference when it comes to how you like your shoulder straps to wrap around your back. The depth of the bag allows you to carry more camera bodies and lenses that you usually would never be able to get to the backcountry in one bag. This bag is load tested to 65 pounds and stress tested to 100 pounds. So on this side of the bag, you see this water bottle holder. They can fit a 32-ounce water bottle with a little strap just to make sure you're not losing that water bottle. On the top of the bag, you can see that you have this roll-up design. This is super nice for putting any extra clothing, camping gear, small tents. Any of those things can fit in this bag. And at first you're like, this bag is not that big. It's pretty reasonably sized. And then you start packing in all the stuff that you can fit in this roll-up top, and you're like, wow, this bag can fit a lot. And I like the separation of it because you can keep all of your camera gear down here, you can keep all your extra clothing up here. This bag is honestly customizable to any adventure. Even if you're not a filmmaker, this bag could be for you. There's a lot of different packing cube options that you can use. The packing cubes we used all the time by just packing different clothes, dirty clothes, clean clothes, different gear, walkie-talkies, all the stuff that you need in the backcountry. So after using a product, you obviously have certain things that you don't love. One being, I think that these are a little bit too coarse for me, a little too hard. I want them to be a bit thicker and just to protect the gear a little bit more. We haven't had any issues with them, but I think they would fit better if they were a little bit different sizes and different thickness. That said, when you're having the hip strap on the back of this bag, you do have to unzip in a 3-part system, which is annoying, but at the same time, once that hip strap is removed, it's not an issue, so that is a small annoyance. So the question that everyone's wondering, what is it gonna cost? This bag actually retails for $3.99 with, I think, a couple of the other accessories that you still have to buy on the website, but most of the internals come with this bag. Now, compared to different competitors throughout the industry, this is actually super reasonably priced. Most go for 500 plus without the internals, which you end up buying a bag that's $700, $800 minimum. And I'm really excited for you guys to test it out and let me know how you think of the bag. The reality is, this backpack is not just for camera people. It is great for filmmakers that are trying to get more into the backcountry, but it can be for any adventurer, any person that wants to get out there into nature and take a bunch of stuff with them. It's fully customizable out with the packing cubes that you can get on the website. You can put clothing, small tents, gear, whatever you like. And this is just the bag that kind of does it all right now. And until I find another one, this is probably gonna be the gear that I rep for my future adventures. And I'm stoked for you guys to test it out and let me know what you guys think. You can comment down in the comments what your concerns are, what things that you potentially might not like or do like, and how stoked you are for this bag when it comes out. So good luck, guys, and happy adventuring. 3, 2, 1.